Ready to see the kind of gadgets Amazon doesn't put front and center? These hidden gems are clever, unique, and downright incredible, perfect for upgrading your space in ways you didn't even know you needed. From smart helpers to surprising space savers, every pick feels like a secret find. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Ever wish your phone could film like a pro camera? This smartphone video rig gives you that power. With dual side handles that rotate 360, you get smooth, steady shots no matter how you hold it. A filter adapter lets you attach professional lenses for cinematic effects. Cold shoe mounts make it easy to add a mic or light, so your setup grows with you. Tough aluminum keeps your phone safe while you create anywhere. Imagine walking outside and suddenly being able to bounce like a kangaroo. These jumping shoes strap right on and turn every step into a mini trampoline. Rugged rubber soles keep your grip steady, while adjustable straps make sure they fit securely. They're a fun way to exercise, helping kids strengthen legs and burn off energy while laughing nonstop. Perfect for playdates, parties, or just bouncing around the backyard. Some parties fade, but karaoke nights live forever. This all-in-one karaoke machine has a giant 13-inch screen built right in, so the lyrics are always clear and easy to follow. Two wireless microphones charge themselves while tucked neatly into the speaker, so they're always ready for the next duet. With 460 watts of booming sound and a built-in light show, it instantly feels like a concert. Why walk when you can glide on a single wheel? This self-balancing electric unicycle hits speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour, giving you a smooth and thrilling ride. The powerful motor handles long distances with ease, while the 60-volt battery keeps you rolling for miles before needing a charge. A wide 17-inch wheel adds stability on city streets or park paths. It's compact, fast, and a seriously fun way to move around. Summer heat doesn't stand a chance with this all-in-one fan. Use it indoors as a sleek pedestal or tabletop fan, or take it outdoors where it's tough enough to handle the weather. Switch to cordless mode and enjoy up to 24 hours of cool airflow anywhere. Hook up the InstaCool misting attachment, and it instantly drops the temperature by several degrees. With 5 speeds, oscillation, and a remote, staying cool has never been easier. Parenting feels a lot easier when the stroller works with you. This seat rotates a full 360 degrees, so you can switch from parent-facing to forward-facing in seconds. 3 recline positions keep your baby comfortable whether they're napping or exploring. A swiveling support bar with a snack tray makes snack time simple on the go. Plush padding with a reversible insert, cool mesh on one side, soft fleece on the other, keeps your little one cozy in every season. Leaves and debris don't stand a chance with this solar-powered pool skimmer. It glides across the surface on its own, scooping up everything in its path while keeping the water crystal clear. Smart navigation means it won't miss edges or corners, and it even optimizes its cleaning route for maximum efficiency. Control everything from the app, set schedules, boost speed, or check water temperature in real time. With dual charging options, it never stops working to keep your pool sparkling. DIY just got way easier with this high-torque electric screwdriver. The pivoting handle adjusts into 4 different angles, so you can reach tight spots without straining your wrist. A digital screen shows your torque in real time, giving you precision for everything from fixing electronics to building furniture. 2 speed settings let you switch between control and power on the fly. With a long-lasting battery and built-in LED light, you're always ready to work, even in dark corners. Sometimes you just need a seat that goes wherever you do. This fold-up stool pops open in seconds, giving you a sturdy place to sit, whether you're camping, studying, or hanging out at the beach. Despite being lightweight and easy to carry, it can handle up to 330 pounds without wobbling. The built-in writing board doubles it as a study or work chair on the go. Compact, tough, and always ready when you need it. Why settle for just grilling when you can do it all? This 7-in-1 outdoor cooker lets you grill, roast, air fry, dehydrate, broil, and even smoke your food, all in one compact design. It handles up to 6 steaks or 30 hot dogs at once, making it perfect for parties. Real wood fire pellets add that smoky flavor you normally only get from a full-size smoker. And with its weather-resistant build, you can cook outdoors all year long. This backpack doesn't just carry your stuff, it puts on a show. The hard-shell design features a built-in LED screen where you can display text, pictures, or even animations through an app. It's roomy enough for a laptop, helmet, or all your daily gear, with multiple compartments to keep things organized. The waterproof shell keeps your valuables safe, while the padded straps make long rides comfortable. No more wrestling with tangled hoses. This retractable garden reel lets you pull out as much hose as you need, then locks it in place. When you're done, a gentle tug automatically rewinds it neatly without kinks. The 90-foot hose gives you plenty of reach, and the swivel mount covers every corner of your yard. With 9 spray patterns, you can water plants, wash the car, or even give the dog a bath with ease. Rain, bumps, or even theft, this phone mount is ready for it all. The waterproof case keeps your screen safe while still letting you tap, swipe, and use Face ID on the go. A double socket arm gives you full 720-degree rotation, so you can position your phone at the perfect angle. The sturdy aluminum base grips tightly to your handlebar, staying solid on every ride. And with a built-in lock and key, your phone stays protected even when you step away. This isn't just a helmet, it's a smart upgrade for every ride. Built with front and rear LED lights, it makes sure you're seen day or night. A retractable face shield protects against wind, dust, and glare while keeping your view crystal clear. The wireless handlebar remote lets you signal turns without lifting a hand. And with app controls for brightness and patterns, you're riding safer, smarter, and in style. Big jobs don't always need a big saw. This mini cordless chainsaw packs serious cutting power into a lightweight, easy-to-handle tool. With 3 speed settings, you can adjust for everything from trimming branches to slicing through tougher wood. The fast-charging battery keeps you going, and an LED screen shows your power level in real time. Plus, the built-in light makes cutting safe and precise, even after the sun goes down. Movie nights and lazy Sundays just got an upgrade. This lap beanbag stand holds your tablet, phone, or e-reader, so you can go completely hands-free. The flexible arm adjusts in every direction, and the 360 clip lets you switch from portrait to landscape in a snap. A soft beanbag base molds perfectly to your lap, couch, or bed for stable comfort. And yes, it even comes with a snack bowl built right in. Forget messy ice buckets. This electric wine chiller keeps your bottle perfectly cold with zero hassle. Just place your wine or champagne inside, set the temperature on the touchscreen, and let it do the work. It holds the ideal chill for up to 24 hours, so every sip tastes just right. The sleek stainless steel design looks great on a counter, bar, or even in an RV. Elegant, portable, and always party ready. Glide through the water like a pro with this compact underwater scooter. Weighing just 3 pounds, it's small enough to toss in your carry-on, but powerful enough to push you along with ease. 3 speed settings and a cruise mode let you explore comfortably for up to 50 minutes. The fast-charging battery is ready to go in just over an hour. Perfect for snorkeling, diving, or just turning a swim into an adventure. Music has never looked this futuristic. This Bluetooth speaker doesn't just play sound, it floats and spins in midair while it does. The magnetic levitation makes it a showpiece for any desk or room, and the 360-degree rotation helps spread sound evenly. With up to 10 hours of playtime, it keeps the vibes going all day. Cool gadget, great audio, and guaranteed to impress anyone who sees it. This isn't just a chessboard, it's like having a built-in coach sitting across from you. Touch any piece and the board lights up possible moves, showing you smart plays and even warning you about mistakes. Beginners get guided step by step, while advanced players can switch off hints and play freely. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you challenge real opponents online without even needing a phone. With lessons, analysis, and practice modes, it's the smartest way to level up your game. Learning to ride a unicycle usually sounds impossible, but this one makes it easy. The clever dual-tire design balances sideways for you, so beginners can pick it up in just a few minutes. A smart self-balancing system keeps you steady front to back, cutting the chances of tipping. Bigger wheels handle bumps and curbs with ease, while inflatable tubes soften the ride. Think of this as a little robot buddy that watches your home when you can't. It rolls around on wheels, giving you a clear 2K view of every corner straight from your phone. The cute design even self-corrects if it gets tipped over. You can press a button to call and talk through its built-in speaker, making it feel like you're right there. With night vision, motion detection, and long battery life, it never misses a moment. This isn't just a toilet, it's like stepping into the future every time you sit down. The lid opens automatically, the seat is heated, and warm water spray cleans you with adjustable pressure. A built-in dryer finishes the job, so you barely need toilet paper. At night, the soft glow of the LED light guides you without fumbling for switches. With touch-free flushing and a powerful system, it's comfort and cleanliness in one sleek design.